Yo guys,
jump from your sheet. You hear
let's
this
dance.
beat?
Let's do
Come
the
and
dance
like.
right. So like, let's do the dance guys. So now the first step is after you are playing the guitar, 1, 2, you jump. That's the first step guys. 1, 2, jump, you jump. 1, 2, jump, you jump. 1, 2, you jump. First step guys. Now the second step is right hand up, left hand up to your head like you're going in a spinning circle. 1, 2, 2. That's the second step guys. Right hand up, left hand up, turn your head round. Then so it's the things like this. Hands round. So the next step is come forward. Then strike the guitar again. Come forward. So it's something like this. 1, 2, 3, go and tap it. 1, 2, run, come forward. So guys, that's the next step. Now, after you strike your guitar, the next thing to do is put your 2 hands up. 1, 2. So it's 1, 2. Then you hit, bend, up. So guys, after you strike your guitar, you 1, 2, hit, 1, 2. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2. That's the same guys. So it's 1, 2, 1. Like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So after this step, after this move, 1, 2, 3, 4. You drag, you drag. Guys. The rather people jump, up, down, coming. 1, 2, 1, 2, round, roll. So the second to last step, guys, is after you 1, 2, you hit, go, you shout, raw, go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, then you 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. That is down there. So it's not like I'd rather people jump, up, come on again. And you 1, 2, hit, jump, round, jump, 3, 1, 2, 1. So guys, this last step, second to last step, you have to do that last step. I think that's for you to succeed. So don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Click on the videos, these videos over here. I'll teach you guys how to dance the next step.